Hello, wonderful people. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Wanderfull Minds. Today, I would like to take you all to the most beautiful medieval town in Germany, Esslingen. It is located in Baden-Württemberg state of Germany. It is a perfect location to go on a day trip if you are somewhere near to Stuttgart. Esslingenburg, Old Town Hall, City Church, River Neckar, timbered houses, vineyards are all so beautiful about this place. Also, not to forget the most famous Christmas market of Esslingen. It is definitely a must visit place. Esslingenburg, also known as Esslingen Castle, is one of the tourist attraction here and is also located in the city center. It is a well-preserved castle from the medieval time. This castle is freely accessible to everyone and is a perfect place for a day out with friends and family in summer. There are also open-air screenings here in summer. It is really a good experience to walk along the rope walk here with a view of entire city. Vineyards contribute to the beauty of this place. Timbered houses are a thing in Europe, and this looks extremely classic. Old Town Hall looks really beautiful and is also a prime attraction. Thanks for watching. Lots of love, Wanderfull Minds.